everyone, Mama here, and today we're doing a Munchpak mini unboxing. And this is the first one of these that I've ever gotten. So let's get right in. This Munchpak was made just for you by James. Well, thank you, James. So first thing we have is Zapp's potato chips, New Orleans style voodoo heat. Oh, more spicy stuff. Just what I like. No, I don't. Oh, these smell spicy. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little one. All right. Hot, 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 hot. Okay, hot. Woo. So this is Takovo Kikiri Stapici Grisky Peanut Cream Sticks. And I love peanut butter, so hopefully these are good sticks. Oh, these are very good. They're not very sweet. It is just peanut butter inside of a pretzel, really. But they're very good. Not too sweet, not too salty. I would try those again for sure. Okay. This is Solen Dance. Ooh, compound chocolate coconut bar. Well. Oh, and there's two of them in it, kind of like how Mounds and Almond Joy does. You get two. Oh, wow. And that is really good. It's just like a Mounds bar. Okay, this is Jore raspberry flavored fruit roll. So this is sort of like fruit leather. Ooh, we're gonna need the scissors for this one. I'll just break off a piece of that one. Oh, yeah, that's really good. It's not very sweet. It's definitely like a more natural kind of thing. But it's very, very good. Okay, next we have Pocky. And this is matcha green tea cream covered biscuit sticks. I have had the strawberry Pocky before, and they're really, really good. And I do like green tea quite a bit, so I'm excited to try these. Aha! Woo. So fun! Oh wow! It tastes exactly like the green tea hard candies that you'd get at a restaurant. They're really, really good. Okay, and the last thing I have is a creepy gummy. So it appears to be some type of bug. And let's get into here. We're gonna need the scissors again. Woo. I'm gonna take off one of his legs. Oh, ooh, feisty. Oh, this is very good. It's a green apple flavored, and I love green apple. So this is the Munchpak Mini, and you get, 4 to 6 snacks in each box. And Munchpak's a little different because when you order the box, they ship it right out instead of waiting until a certain date to get it. So I think that's kind of fun. Well, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!